Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to perform the VLAN configuration in Cisco Packet Tracer. So guys, without further delay, let's start our video. I am going to take one router and I need one switch and corresponding in devices. I am choosing one PC and one laptop. For similar kind of device, you can use the cross cable, and for the dissimilar kind of device, you can use the straight cable. So for connecting switch and PC, I am using the straight cable to connect, and simply you can connect this 0 to 0. It's VLAN for office, VLAN 10 for office, virtual LAN 20 for college, virtual LAN 30 for home, 20 for office, 30 for home. Then I am going to label the IP address for all the PCs and laptop. For PC, the IP address will be 192.168.1.3 and the default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. Same network is used for the virtual LAN 10 office, so the default gateway will be the same. Similarly, you can label the IP address for all the end devices. Then you need to configure the IP address of all the corresponding PC. The IP address is 192.168.1.3. 192.168.1.1 is the default gateway for the PC 0. I am going to copy this and simply I am going to paste here because the default gateway is the same for the network 1.1.4. One 92.168.2.3, 2.168.2.1, 2.4, 2.1, 3.3, 3.1, 3.4 and default gateway is 3.1 for network 3. Then I am going to switch to configure the VLAN. Then after, you can add the VLAN number and VLAN name. Then after, our next task is to configure the virtual LAN 10 for the PC 0 and laptop 0, which is connected to the switch via the fast Ethernet 01 and fast Ethernet 02 cable. Three and 4 for our college, and fast Ethernet 5 and 6 for home. Then after, fast Ethernet 07 is for the connection between the switch and router, so I am making the switchboard mode to the trunk. Then after, we need to establish the VLAN routing configuration. We need to configure the virtual LAN routing and simply go to the CLI command and press the enter, then enable, then configure terminal. Then inside this, I am going to simply write the interface. Fast Ethernet 0/0 is for the connection between the router and the switch, and fast Ethernet 0/0/0.10 for office, and fast Ethernet 0/0.20 for college. It provides the 20 for college, and virtual LAN 0/0/30 for home. So I am simply use the virtual LAN.10. Then encapsulation .1q10. Then IP address for virtual LAN 10 office. The default gateway will be the 1.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Simply press the enter button. Then again interface fast Ethernet 0/0 is for the connection between the router and switch, and .20 for connection between the router and the college virtual LAN 20. Enter. Then encapsulation .ig20 for college, and IP address is the default gateway 2.1. Enter. Then after, again interface fast Ethernet 0/0/30 for home. Then encapsulation for 30, and I am going to set the IP address is the default gateway is the 3. Enter. Then no shutdown, then enter. Then our virtual LAN is configured right now. Then if you are trying to send the package from the virtual LAN 10 office to virtual LAN 30, first of all it will give the failed message. Transfer the package from PC virtual LAN 10 office to 20 college message, and from this to this it gives the successful message, and our virtual LAN is finally configured right now. Now we are going to check from the command prompt. 192.168.3.2 3.4 and reply from 3.4.